Alright, so yeah, today we're going to be installing John's new wheels. We got a fender roller here. We might roll them. Depends on how much they need be. It's kind of a pain in the ass to roll them, but we'll see how it goes. Show you how it ends up. Kamikaze J Slay here.
You really just said J Slay?
You did.
Whose door panel is this?
Get out the trash can, Ann.
Whose door panel is that?
It's old Supra.
Oh.
Whew.
Gonna be doing a wheel install today.
God damn, Jonathan, wash your car. Wash your car, shit. Shit, dirty as hell.
Had to take a quick commercial break to check out your local Prius cleaners. This Prius is dirt. Johnson, why is your shit so dirty?
It's been a while, man.
This is a Uber driver, and see what happened. The way he be Ubering, he be having Uber in dirt fields and shit to pick up the cowboys. Sometimes.
Yeah, I got a lot of farmers. And
he got a lot of farmers.
You know, get some countrymen.
This car hasn't been washed in 3 years, but it's all good. And you're gonna take selfies, or you're gonna help us? Put the wheels on. You're not helping? You sure you don't want to help? Fine. Back to our scheduled programming.
Suck. Oh, that's definitely gonna hit. Sticks out just barely.
Oh yeah. Plenty of space. I think we need to go lower. Just doing a little bit of precautionary fender rolling. It's not really needed, but just in case he wants to do a little bit of stance on it, we're gonna go ahead and roll just a hair. Alright, so we had to make a few minor adjustments. We rolled the front fenders just a little bit, and I lowered the car about 1.5 inches, as you saw when we first lowered it down the first time. So we're gonna lower it down the second time and let's see how they sit. Oh yeah. Sits a lot better than the first time. Alright, on to the rears.
That wall doesn't have strong.
You're next.
I'm surprised they are only worn that much. I slide them on them a lot.
Only plug I have because the other one's in Paulo's car.
Lower her down. See how it sits.
All the way down.
fitment, baby. We should probably roll just a little bit more.
Yeah.
So basically we gave up on the fender rolling because it was taking too long. I brought out my trusty hammer that I've hammered all of my quarter panels with before in the past, and saved about 15 hours of rolling to get that. And that's pretty damn good, I'd say. The rest, leave it for the painter.
Alright guys, so we finished installing my wheels, rolling my fenders, and we got enough clearance, so I think we're good to go. I chose to go with a pretty aggressive offset for these tires and wheels. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 12 offset in the front, and 18 by 10.5 plus 15 offset in the rear. So we had to hammer out the rears a little bit for the fitment, but looks like everything's good to go now. So